everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you organic chicken curry. It will be quick and easy and a simple chicken curry, and it will be good for the beginners. Why I said beginners? Because the way I'm going to make it is going to be such a simple, and it's going to be super delicious, and anyone can make it. I have a whole chicken, 5-pound organic chicken. I'm going to cut up into smaller pieces. Then we're going to marinate the chicken. That I'll share with you. For curry, if we need a running gravy, we're going to use water as needed. When I said quick and easy and simple, these are the things make it very simple and easy for everyone. I'm using red onion. This is red onion. I put it into blender. I make it nice smooth paste. Ginger, garlic, green chili. I made a smooth paste. And how do we make paste? I have posted a video on my channel, so please check it out. It's a fresh tomato, and I make it nice smooth puree. Olive oil for tadka, 2 teaspoons cumin seed, jeera, and 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. If you haven't tried kasuri methi, this is fenugreek leaves. Please try it. That brings a nice flavor to our curry. All these spices are 2 teaspoons each, except turmeric powder. It's 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, degi mirch, and 1 cup homemade dahi. Organic tomato sauce, half cup. The chicken is cut up into nice sized pieces. On the leg pieces, I just make a small cut. And this is very good when you're making curry, and then the masala and the curry will blend in. You're going to enjoy it. If you notice one more thing, that I don't have the skin on. Personally love to have skin on. But my kids, they are not fond of skin, so I take it out. It's a personal preference. If you want to have a skin on, please keep it. Now we're going to marinate the chicken. I'll bring all the spices, degi mirch, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, cumin powder. Now with the help of fork, I'm going to mix it well. Once the masala is nicely combined, add dahi. Scoop out all the dahi, and now we're going to mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined with all the spices and with the dahi, cover with the plate and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Start gas, get a karahi, add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, I'll add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds, and this is good enough. Add ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. Mix it well and cook for like 20 seconds. You don't want to cook it too long. We just want that raw garlicky flavor to burn away. Once there is no more garlicky flavor, this is good enough. Now add onion. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to cook tadka really well until it's nicely translucent. Keep cooking. Tadka is nicely cooked. We're going to bring tomato puree. Mix it well. Cook tomato puree along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking tomato with tadka for 1 minute. I'll add tomato sauce. Half cup. Mix it well. And cook for 1 minute. Another minute of cooking tomato sauce along with tadka. The chicken is marinated for 2 hours. Mix it well. Keep mixing and keep cooking. And cook chicken along with tadka for 10 minutes. Cooking chicken with tadka for 10 minutes. This is cooking very delicious. This was the reason I wanted to make a gravy of everything. This is really good. You only can get this consistency by putting into the blender. And this is very easy recipe, as I mentioned. Anyone can follow it and they will like it. We cook chicken 10 minutes on high gas. Now I'm going to bring gas to medium. Add garam masala and kasuri methi. Kasuri methi is always a good idea. Put it between your two hands and rub it against your palm. The whole reason we're doing it, if there is a big strand, you can pull those out, but this one looking good. Mix it well. Once the kasuri methi and garam masala is nicely combined, add water. As I mentioned earlier, you always can add more water to your taste. I'm going to add half cup. If you need a running gravy, you can add more water. Mix it well again. Now spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook it for 20 minutes. And it's a good idea occasionally stir it so it won't get burned at bottom. It's exactly 20 minutes. Cooking on a medium heat. I opened it twice and I stirred it. Look at this. Our chicken is already very delicious. If we check chicken is fully cooked. It's nicely cut through. Now the last ingredient, I'll bring cilantro, which is dhania, the coriander leaves. Mix it well. Our chicken curry, quick and easy, delicious organic chicken curry is all ready. Turn off the gas. I'll get my serving bowl and I will dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and look at this. Super delicious, tasty chicken curry. And this kind of gravy, wow, look at this. Let me show you. This is the gravy. This is mouth-watering gravy. Please try this recipe and you're going to love it. And let me share with you. Our quick and easy, tasty, delicious, organic chicken curry. And this recipe is for all the beginners. I mean, anyone can use this recipe and they will love it. If you're a beginner, don't be shy. Try to use the same way, the way I have done it. And it's a finger licking. Please try it and comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.